everyone, so for today's video I decided to film an empties video just because I have this little bag full of things in the corner of my room and I kind of would just like to get rid of it now and throw it out. So I decided to film it because it's an easy and quick video to film. So without making the video extremely long, if you want to see what I've used up in the last couple of weeks, then just keep watching. Also, if you're wondering where I am, I'm in my room. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, there was a sofa in my brother's room and he didn't want it anymore, so they gave it to me. So now I have a little sofa in my room. Yeah, on my Instagram you'll be able to see where it is and all of that. But I really like it just because it can be my little, oh, my blind just like dropped down. This can be my little filming setup. So let me know if you like it. I can have like so many different setups now in my room. But anyway, let's get straight into the video because I'm going to make this long again. I always make my videos extremely long. So let's go. So the first thing I have here, it looks super gross because it's been in my shower for a while. It's the Soap & Glory Sugar Crush Body Scrub. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's gross. It's horrible. But this is my favourite scent from Soap & Glory, the Sugar Crush one. Just because it smells like lime and almonds and all that good stuff. So this is my favourite, probably, body scrub of all time. I always repurchase this. I already have a backup in my drawer. So yeah. I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a scrub. Another scrub I have here is the Skinny Tan Pre-Tan Primer, which looks like this. I got sent this ages and ages ago, I believe last year. And I only now finished using it, literally last night. I liked it. It wasn't my favourite because it doesn't have like a scent that I really like. It's like vanilla and almond, so it is nice. But I still prefer the Soap & Glory one. This one is very gentle on your skin. It's not like really harsh or anything. So yeah, I would recommend it if you're looking for something like this. But if not, then definitely try the Soap & Glory one because it's one of my favourites. I have another one from Soap & Glory and it's one of the miniatures and it's the Scrub of Your Life scrub. The Ultimate Super Smoothing Body Buffer. That's what it looks like. I do like this. But I'm not a huge fan of the original Soap & Glory scent. I much prefer the Sugar Crush one. So I would definitely get the Sugar Crush over this one. So that's it for body scrubs. Next I have some body, what are they called? Body washes. So this one is from Isana. I don't know, I think my mom got it in Germany or something because I told her to get some of these. I liked it. Yeah, it was just a normal body wash. It smells really nice. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say about it. It's just a body wash. It was nothing special like. Next I have one from the Body Shop, which is one of my favourites, and it's the Body Shop Coconut Shower Cream. And I just love, love, love the scent of this. It reminds me of summer now because I used it when it was like really nice and warm outside. But yeah, I really love the Body Shop shower creams and I definitely have to go and pick up some more. Last but not least, for shower gels, I have these two little miniature bottles. I got these for Christmas in like a set. So I used up the lime and ginger one and the cherry and almond one. And yeah, they were from Superdrug. But yeah, I really like these. They smelled really nice. The lime and ginger one was literally like the Soap & Glory Sugar Crush. And the cherry and almond one was really nice. It smells like bubble gum. But yeah, I really like these. They were super handy for like hotels and travel and things like that. So yeah, they were really cool. Then I have a face mask, which is kind of still wet or something. It's the Radiance Tony Moly I'm Real Tomato Mask Sheet. What? I just read that totally weird. Tony Moly I'm Real Tomato Sheet Mask. It's the Radiance one. This is what the packaging looks like. I got this in Sephora in Poland, I believe, and I really liked it. I love sheet masks, so any sheet mask, I feel like I'm gonna like any sheet mask. How many times can I say sheet mask? Sheet mask. sheet mask. Yeah, I really liked it. It smells really nice. It didn't like irritate my skin or anything. It was super moisturizing, and yeah, I liked it. I really liked it. Let me know of any sheet masks that you think I should try. I can't say that word any more times. Let's go to the next thing. I have a nail polish remover. This one is from Lidl, and if you're looking for a nail polish remover, just get this one, because I believe it's like €1 or even less than €1, a couple of cents, and it's just really good. Like, it takes your nail polish off really, really fast. At the moment I got my nails done, so I won't need it, but I already have a backup of this in my drawer. This one is the acetone free, but I have the acetone one in my drawer right now, just because sometimes I take my shellac off with this. So yeah, highly recommend if you're looking for a super cheap nail polish remover. Then I have my favourite toothpaste, which is the Oral-B 3D White Glamorous White toothpaste. It looks like this. Yeah, this is my favourite toothpaste of all time. I feel like it whitens my teeth. Like, I can see a difference. If I use a different toothpaste to this, it's not as good as this one. So I will definitely be repurchasing this for sure. Then I have one deodorant, and it's the Garnier Mineral Protection deodorant. I liked it. Oh god, what did I just do? I just sprayed that in my nose. Marta, you weirdo. There's nothing left, but like there's still that air. It smelled nice. It was nothing special, just a deodorant. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. I probably would repurchase it if it was on offer or something. Next I have a couple of mascaras. The first one is some weird one that was in like a kiddie set or whatever. I found it in my drawer and I'm just not going to use it because, yeah, it just looks weird. So I'm just going to throw that out. Then I have a mascara from Wet n Wild, and it's the Max Volume mascara. I remember I got this in a goodie bag when I went to like a Wet n Wild event. I really liked it. This is what the brush looks like. I really liked it, and I used it up. Like, as soon as I got it, I opened it and I started using it, and I really liked it. So I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a cheap mascara, because I believe it's really cheap. Another one is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I remember years ago people were raving about this, like, so much. But I was never a fan of it from the very beginning. I believe I bought it, like, in London or something when I was in my dad's. And I started using it then. This is the brush. Can you see it? Yeah, I started using when I was in his house, and I just wasn't a fan whatsoever. And I feel like at the time I was also using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and that is just like the best Maybelline mascara for me. So yeah, I'm not a fan of this. This is really, really old, so I'm just throwing it out because I know I won't use it, and I probably shouldn't because it's really old. And then recently, I've been loving this for months now, and I probably should have thrown this out months ago. But you know when you have that one product or like a mascara that you really like, and you're like, there's still something in there, I'll still get a use, like one more use out of it. Oh, I'll throw it out the next time. No, I never did. But I put it on this morning as well, and there's still some left. So I might use it one more time, but it's literally finished there. Like, I should throw it out now. It's the Clarins Intense Black Mascara. I got this in like a Christmas set. But I'm pretty sure you can get it like separately, not in a set. So I definitely have to go to Boots and pick this up, because I feel like this is the best mascara I've ever tried in my whole entire life, other than the Maybelline Lash Sensational one. So I would highly recommend if you're looking for mascara. This is just my favourite thing ever. It's the Super Volume Mascara. Yeah, did I say that? Intense Black Super Volume Mascara from Clarins. So good. I wish you weren't empty. Then I have a couple of concealers. The first one is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eye Eraser. I feel like I'm reading just everything that says on the packaging. This one, I got mine in the shade Light. I used to be obsessed with this before I started using the Maybelline Fit Me, which is the next concealer that is empty now. I used the one in the shade 10. And yeah, these are really good. So I feel like Maybelline is just on point. Like, I love Maybelline, what are they called? Concealers, and I love their mascaras. So good. And then I love Rimmel foundations and Rimmel powders, and yeah. Anyway, those two concealers, I really like them. I would really recommend them. This one, the Fit Me, this one, Eye Eraser, and the Collection concealer are my best friends. There's just a couple of things left. The first thing is again from like a kiddie set of makeup, and they're like 2 eyeliners. They literally feel and smell awful and like crayons. It's disgusting. Goodbye. Then I have a hand cream, and it's from Oriflame, and it's the Soft Cares Nourishing Hand Cream. That's what it looks like. It's really good. It smells really nice. It smells like it's infused with macadamia oil. Yeah, I really like it. I'm going to repurchase this for sure because it's really nice and it dries really, really fast. I hate creams that just take ages to dry and you have to sit there like this. What was that? Yeah, so that one was really nice. Next I have a shampoo, and it's the Lee Stafford Cactus Crush shampoo. I was sent this a while back with the conditioner and other things from the range. I used this up. I really liked it. It made my hair nice and soft and moisturized. I'm still using the conditioner because I feel like I always get through shampoos faster than conditioners. So I still have the conditioner bottle and I'm going to use it up. But I'm like halfway through. I don't understand how I use the whole thing and then I'm like, I still have this much left of the conditioner. I don't understand. But yeah, I would highly recommend. They're in like Boots and I believe Superdrug as well. So yeah, definitely check these out. I love Lee Stafford hair products. They're literally my favorite ever. 2 more things and then the bag is empty. The first one is the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Anti-Imperfection Cream. I just had a tiny miniature like sample of this and I used it. I feel like I can't honestly say anything about this because it was such a small amount that I didn't even realize if it did anything. So yeah, I used it. It was grand. It didn't do anything to my face, I don't think. But yeah, I feel like people that have like acne and things, they always rave about La Roche-Posay products. But yeah, I can't say much about it. And the last thing, and probably one of my favorite things out of this whole video, aside from the Clarins mascara, is the Pixie Glow Tonic that I used up. I only had the 100ml one and I got it for Christmas. I loved this so much. I honestly need to go onto like Cult Beauty or Beauty Bay or something and buy it again. It was so good. I feel like with skin toners, I always have to use at least one skin toner, whatever it is, I have to use it because whenever I take my makeup off with the Garnier Micellar Water and then I go in with the toner, I feel like my face is so much cleaner then. Like, sometimes I don't use a toner, I just feel like it's not as clean as it could be. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Pixie Glow Tonic. It's one of my favorites and I will definitely repurchase it. I'm going to buy one of the big, huge bottles. The biggest ones you can get. So yeah, that is all. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to link in the description box all of my empties videos, the previous ones that I filmed. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day. I'm going to go and chill for a while and probably edit this video. As you can tell, it's Saturday. I decided to wear my Saturday jumper because I never wear it. I literally found it in my wardrobe the other day and I was like, I'm going to wear that today. I also need to straighten my hair because I've washed it today and just didn't bother, so I just put it up in a little half up, half down. But yeah, I'm going to go. I hope you have a lovely weekend. Actually, you're not going to be watching this on the weekend. Hope you have a lovely day whenever you're watching this, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!